It's not showing very much. It's little. That is very beautiful. Okay, you can go.
Still going for drive, not reverse.
Ah, we're crashing into a mountain. This is what a country gravel road looks like. And here we go.
You want to check out some
Sure, why not? Well, we never mind.
Says, so the Pioneer Cemetery established on the 3rd, 1988 is that way. 1903 is that way.
But I don't know how far it is, though.
Yeah.